As European towns go, Helsinki is a youngster, having been founded on the shores of the Gulf of Finland in the mid-16th century. Today, Finland's capital is a sleek, modern urban area of 1.4 million people. Since Finland was once a part of Russia, you'll find Russian-inspired architecture. You'll also find innovative, cutting-edge architecture. It's an island city, covering 315 islands and a peninsula, so you're in for some stunning scenery when you can tear yourself away from sampling Finnish foods, seeing museums, churches, and other tourist cultural attractions in Helsinki. As more and more people are including a visit to Helsinki on their bucket list, they are discovering more to see and do in the city. These are some of the best attractions and things to see on a trip to Helsinki. 1. Kauppatori, or Market Square. The markets of Helsinki are a great place to encounter Finnish culture, as one can get a taste of the local flavors here. Kauppatori is Helsinki's international market, where one can fish for souvenirs and traditional Finnish delights. The Market Square is a lively space with musical performances on the go. The famous Havisamana fountain, which is located here, makes it among the top Helsinki attractions. Have a bite of the Finnish meat pastries at the cafes there. And if you happen to visit on the first Friday of the month, then you are in for a treat. A vintage American car is on display that day. In the winter, market stalls are protected under tents, and there is a year-round market hall with more vendors. Visitors should watch their food carefully, however, as the seagulls at the market are large and brazen and will pluck food from unsuspecting diners. 2. Suomenlinna. Board the ferry from Kauppatori, and in a few minutes you'll be in one of the most amazing man-made places in Scandinavia, if not the world. Suomenlinna is a giant maritime fortress spread across 7 islands. It was put up by the Swedes in the mid-1800s to defend their eastern territories, but Helsinki was overrun by the Russians at the start of the 19th century. It's no exaggeration to say that almost nothing has changed Suomenlinna since then. Amid the star-shaped walls and gun positions is a small Baroque settlement. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, Suomenlinna Sea Fortress is one of the most popular tourism destinations in Finland. Suomenlinna is also a suburb of Helsinki with around 800 residents. The fortress was shaped by 3 historic eras when it helped to defend first Sweden, then Russia, ultimately Finland. There are 6 kilometers of walls, 100 cannons, exciting tunnels, and beautiful parks in the fortress. There are also museums, guided tours, events, and restaurants in Suomenlinna. 3. Helsinki Cathedral. Located in the pretty Senate Square, Helsinki Cathedral is one of the most famous landmarks in Helsinki. It dates back to the mid-1800s and was constructed in honor of the Russian Tsar Nicholas I, who was also the Grand Duke of Finland. Previously called St. Nicholas's Church, it was renamed when Finland became independent in 1917. The neoclassical gem is designed in the shape of a Greek cross. The pale building is topped with a gigantic green dome and 4 smaller domes, and it's very photogenic. Inside there is lots of religious artwork and symbolism. An active place of worship, it's also among the most popular tourist attractions in Helsinki. A must-visit place even if you're only visiting Helsinki for the weekend. Admire the beautiful building from the outside as well as the smaller surrounding buildings that also exude a sense of timeless elegance. Cast your gaze up to the roof and you'll see large statues of the 12 apostles looking down over the square. Enter the main church area to absorb the air of spirituality and see religious art. 4. TEMPPELIAUKIO Rock Church. TEMPPELIAUKIO stands out from most churches in Europe as it's partially underground, excavated directly into solid rock. This church is situated in the heart of Helsinki, at the end of Frederiken Kadu. Because of its special architecture, the church, completed in 1969, is one of the main attractions in Helsinki. The church hall is covered with a dome, lined with copper and supported on the rock walls by reinforced concrete beams. The interior walls are of rugged rock and rubble wall. Before noon, the light spreads from the row of windows, rounding the roof periphery to the altar wall, where an Ice Age crevice serves as the altarpiece. Due to its excellent acoustics, the church is a popular venue for concerts. 5. Sibelius Monument and Park. Opening in 1967, this great monument was designed by Ila Hiltunen as a tribute to the great Finnish composer. This park contains the monument to Finland's most famous composer Jean Sibelius, which is made to look like a pipe organ. The park is a good central location to relax and listen to some live classical music. After battling a good amount of controversies, this park has finally found its place on the tourist map and attracts a huge number every year. This is one of the most exciting and scenic tourist places in Helsinki. Being located at the seaside spot, the park and the memorial located within it happen to be an exciting and historic destination. Tourists can come here to enjoy the kinetic music sculpture which is installed in the park. It is in fact a collection of 600 steel tubes with the ability to capture the wind like a pipe organ and sending out melodious tunes, which happen to please the visitors to this park. 6. Uspenski Cathedral. One of two imposing churches that dominate the skyline above Helsinki's harbor, Uspenski Cathedral is an eye-catcher. This stunning brick building is notable for its multiple towers and spires topped by 13 gold cupolas. The interior of this Orthodox church is equally impressive, filled with altars, icons, and crosses, the intricate patterns on its arches set against block marble, and a preponderance of gold embellishments. Take a look at the iconostasis, with its set of beautiful paintings depicting the Virgin Mary and an array of saints. If you're looking for sites that illustrate Russia's century-long engagement with Finland, this Orthodox cathedral in Pormestaren is the best place to begin. It's the largest Orthodox church in Western Europe, sitting on a rise in the Katajanokka, one of Helsinki's upmarket areas. 7. Helsinki Railway Station. For thousands of commuters, Helsinki's Central Railway Station is the main traffic hub from which buses, the metro, and numerous local and long-distance trains arrive and depart. In fact, with roughly 200,000 daily visitors, it is Finland's most visited structure. The building also happens to be one of the landmarks of the city and looks back on over 100 years of history. Designed in 1909 by Elil Saarinen and opened in 1919, the railway station's most distinctive features are the big clock tower and the two towering figures of two heavily muscled, half-naked men holding big globes of light. Another notable feature is the red Finnish granite that was used to clad the facades of the Central Railway Station. The granite originated in Hanko, the southernmost region of Finland, and is believed to be over 400 million years old. A more curious addition to the station, which is also unique in the world, is the Presidential Lounge. It was originally supposed to be reserved for the private use of the Emperor of Russia, but since Finland's independence, the waiting area has been dedicated to the sole use of the Finnish president and his guests. 8. Finlandia Hall. Finlandia Hall is a concert and congress hall in the center of Helsinki. It was built by Alvar Aalto in the modern, typically Finnish functionalism. The building, which was constructed from 1967 to 1971, has a very functionalist design, both externally and internally. An additional conference wing was added in 1975. The exterior is dominated by the Italian Carrara marble, with which almost the entire exterior facade is clad. The convex and concave shapes that adorn the north facade are striking. At first glance, it also looks as if the hall and the tower of the National Museum, which is located on the opposite side of the street, are touching. As also parts of the interior were arranged by Alvar Aalto, and he designed some pieces of furniture. The style of the functionalism can also be found here. 9. KAMPPI Chapel. In the middle of Helsinki's hectic Narinka Square is an ultra-modern chapel that creates a little slice of heavenly silence in the middle of a sea of outside noise. Also known as the Chapel of Silence, this weird-looking round structure is hard to recognize as a chapel, and in fact no holy events like baptisms or wedding ceremonies are held there. Although there are prayer meetings, this bizarre little space is singularly devoted to providing some peace and quiet. The entire space is designed to be calming. From the round walls to the spacious, high ceiling, it's almost so comforting as to be womb-like. The interior design is kept spare with the natural warmth of the smooth wooden walls left clean and unadorned. The only objects in the space are the futuristic altar, a simple candelabra, and the rows of basic, blocky pews. As weird as the silent room may appear, its innovative design won a number of awards, making a lot of noise for something so concerned with being quiet. 10. KORKEASAARI Zoo. Founded in the 1880s, KORKEASAARI Zoo is one of the oldest in the world and holds a foremost place for its exceptional breeding programs for endangered species. They have been especially successful with breeding snow leopards and other big cats, such as the Amur and Siberian tiger. As in any good zoo, the environments have been designed to be as close as possible to natural habitats, and nearly 1,000 plant species grow here to replicate the native environments of the 150 different animal species. The zoo is open all year round, and visiting the tropical houses is one of the favorite things to do in Helsinki in the winter. The zoo is on an island, and you can get here by ferry from May to the end of September. The rest of the year, you can get here by bus.